Hi, I'd like to introduce Pen's interior training object recognition models without human labeling. So training CNN models for computer vision applications often requires a large number of training data. And here we have different approaches. The manual labeling, which is tedious and not scale well. Manual labeling plus the background augmentation is brought to the boundary artifacts. And synthesizing using engines can produce a interior gap in model transferability, and not to mention the need to build a complex environment. So in here, we introduce a syntheoreal data generation framework, which utilize and explore the chroma key techniques, the major technique used in the movie industry to capture and extract objects in front of the green screen and in the motion capture system before superimpose them into the background images. We have here the examples of the images that we obtained uh, and compare between the static images and the serial images in the same environment. Uh, and some examples of the multi-MAV scenic dataset that we introduced in this work. And some key results here in the semantic segmentation between the models trained purely on the static data versus one trained on purely on the real images. When we see the competitive performance of this model trained on static data, and here's the performance on the object detection. And interestingly, we see that the model chain uh, pre-chain using the scenic data outperforms the models purely just chain using the real images as a dot light, the dot light like above the blue light. Then in here, the blue light represent the model chain using only the real symbols. And we can also generalize by applying the testing the model chain on the some drones and then test it on another like novel drone. And in here we combine the synthetic models and then combine it with the checking model to obtain the checking demo. And here's another one in outdoor cluster environment.